It's 11:21 at night, a school night. It's Thursday. I should be sleeping, and I've got yelled at multiple times for being up, but I've not gone to sleep yet. It's okay. I'm about to be. I look so ugly right now though. Give me a kiss. Okay, I need to go to sleep. Good night. Good night, y'all. Hey guys, it's Maddie, and today I'm good. Why do I keep doing hand motions? Let me put my hands down. And today I'm going to be doing a Icarly inspired makeup look. If you guys don't know Icarly, it's the most iconic show on this planet Earth. No, woof woof. Okay, just never mind. Okay, I'm doing an Icarly inspired look. This is what it looks like. It's this pink glitter liner, really pretty. If I do see myself. This is also a collab with Haley Morales. If you guys don't know Haley Morales, like you guys probably do, because she's pretty cool. We've been friends for a while now, and we did a collab whenever we first became friends, but we decided that we wanted to do another collab. She's doing a Victorious inspired look, so if you guys want to see that, then look down at the link below, click on it, you know, subscribe to her if you're not already, even though you probably are. And yeah, let's just get into the video. Okay, so I'm gonna zoom you guys in. First, you're gonna prime your eyelids. I'm just using my Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation, and I'm just gonna use this beauty blender to blend it out. I'm gonna be doing an Icarly inspired look, so I'm using the Icarly colors. So I'm gonna take my Take Me Back to Brazil palette and this blending brush right here. Okay, so I'm gonna like tap this off, and then it's the first blue in the palette. And I'm just gonna apply that to my crease in like a circular like window wiper motion. I love being so smart. I'm gonna be applying that to my crease in a windshield wiper motion. Windshield, that's right. You wanna make sure that you blend it in too, so like also in your inner corner. This might be too big of a brush, so I'm gonna take this smaller blending brush, and you can literally see product flying off of it. Okay. Now that that's like that, I'm gonna do the other eye. Okay, now I'm just gonna run my brush over it with no product and just blend out each side. Okay, so next we're going to take purple. I'm gonna take this purple down here, and I'm gonna take this small blending brush, and I'm going to blend that right underneath into the crease, almost blending it like a halo eye. Next, I'm going to take an even smaller blending brush, aka this one, and I'm going to be taking this hot pink, and I'm going to put that right in the middle of all that. I'm also gonna spray that a little bit so it's more pigmented, turning out really dark. I'm not sure why. You're gonna blend it all over that part of the eye. Now you're gonna take your big blending brush, and you're just gonna blend everything out. I don't want to lose that purple, so I'm gonna probably keep having to reapply it so it doesn't mix. Okay, I'm actually gonna take this brush and spray it, and then apply the pink. Next, I'm going to take my glitter, and I just want to spice this look up a bit, so I'm going to be applying glitter right on the middle of my eye using my glitter primer, and I'm going to apply some of that glitter primer on my hand and take it and just put it in the middle and then kind of go. Okay, now I'm gonna take my glitter. It's definitely not eye glitter, so I don't really, I'm not using not eye glitter, but you know, I don't have so many shades of eye glitter, so I'm gonna lightly tap out a little bit of glitter and apply the glitter. Okay, this is what it looks like right now. Okay, so now I'm gonna be taking my yellow liner, my yellow NYX liner. Okay, I'm gonna be doing a wing. Okay, I don't know how I'm gonna get this in, so I'm just gonna do a wing, so I'm really sorry if you guys can't see. Okay, so this is the look. I'm about to clean it up with concealer, the liner, and then I'm gonna put on face makeup and do my lashes, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I started highlighting with Marshmallow in the Anastasia Sugar Glow Kit. I'm highlighting my brow bone right now because it's like a yellow goldish highlighter, which kind of like matches the yellow eyeliner, so that's why I picked it. Okay, so next I'm going to be taking this brush right here, and I'm going to be taking my Take Me Back to Brazil palette. Since there's also orange and green, I'm going to take this orange right here and smoke it out underneath my lash line. I'm going to take this brush, this green, I'm going to take, and then I'm going to put it really, really close to my waterline. Okay, I'm just going to put on lip gloss. I'm just going to use my Essence Shine 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 lip gloss in, what is it, Backstage or something? Behind the Scenes. This clear lip gloss. It smells really good and it's really nice. And the last thing I'm going to do is put on lashes, and I'll be right back. I'm just going to be using my Doe lashes in D105. You can use my code Maddie for money off. Okay, so this is the finished look. These are the eyes. I have yellow liner, pink glitter, purple crease, blue shade, I don't know what that's called. Yellow underneath my eyes. No, not yellow. Orange underneath my eyes and a little bit of green. And yeah. If you guys enjoyed today's video, please like and subscribe. Follow all my social medias at Maddie. I have Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat. Make sure you guys go watch Haley's video and subscribe to her. She's amazing. I love her so much. We've been friends for like, I don't even know how long it's been. It's been like 7 or 8 months of being friends. I don't know. I'm not good at counting. Since October or September or something like that. But yeah, make sure you guys buy her merch because she's been working really hard on making new designs too. So look out for those. I got sneak peeks. Oh my gosh, my nose is so itchy. Okay, I love you all, and I'll see you next time. Okay.